Welcome to another singing video, everybody, on Facebook and YouTube. It's been about 12 days or so since I did my last one, so I'm really itching to get back into it here today. And I'm actually going to do two songs today. I got requested on a comment on one of my YouTube videos if I could do another song by the same songwriter that the comment was on. So I'm going to do that one after I do this one here, which is another song that came off this CD here that I've been working on for a little while. This is track number 13 on the CD out of 21 songs. It's a song called Me and Jimmie Rodgers by the Old Dogs. The Old Dogs was a supergroup that was made up of 4 country legends. That was Waylon Jennings, Bobby Bare, Mel Tillis, and Jerry Reed. They got together and made an album in 1998 on Atlantic Nashville called The Old Dogs Volume 1. It was released in December of 1998. And a lot of these songs on this album were about aging, growing older. Had some funny titles like Nashville is rough on the living, but it surely speaks well of the dead. That was one of the songs on the album. There's another one on there called Still Gonna Die. And then there's this song here called Me and Jimmie Rodgers. This song was never released as a single. It was only on the album, Old Dogs Volume 1. The album peaked at number 61 on the US Billboard Top Country Albums chart. So it snuck on there. And so this is a good old song by 4 different singers at once. So I'm not going to try and imitate them, I'm just going to sing it my own way. The song was written by Shel Silverstein, who wrote all the songs on that album. Co-wrote one with another writer, but this one here was solo written by him, so that's one of the last songs that he wrote in his lifetime. He passed away only 5 months after this album was released, and he passed away in May of 1999, age of 67 or 68, depending on your source you're looking at. So without further ado, here's Me and Jimmie Rodgers. This is recorded live, so we're going to have a little audience cheering at the beginning here. And at the end. That's a good thing. Me and Jimmie Rodgers used to ride them rolling boxcars in the summertime. And Jimmie, he'd play his guitar, and I'd lay back, watch the stars and sip my wine. Me and Audie Murphy used to crawl out on our bellies through the German lines. No, Audie, I won't leave you here. I'll pull you through, 'cause buddy, you're a pal of mine. Me and Phil Rizzuto, didn't we move around like lightning on the double play? And I'd look over in the stands, and Marilyn would see me, and she'd smile and wave. Hell no, Coach Lombardi, this broken back ain't nothing if the game was saved. And fellas, if I don't pull through, just put a little golden football on my grave. John Wayne, he once said to me, them Japs will take the island, and we've gotta save the old red, white, and blue. Someone's gotta swim out to the submarine and warn them. And there, you know, I hate like hell to ask you to. Me and Rocky Marciano, We used to spar together up in Stillman's gym. I know someday it would be the Garden and a championship for me or him. And Coop, if no one in this town is man enough to back you when Frank Miller comes, well, come high noon, I'll walk with you. I may be young, but I know how to use a gun. Betty Grable, don't you cry. You know you can be a star. With my drinking, I just hold you back. So go on and sign the contracts, hon, and I'll read about you in some old newspaper blowing across some lonesome hobo camp. 'Cause me and Jimmie Rodgers, we still ride them rolling boxcars in the summertime. And Jimmie, he plays his guitar while I lay back and watch the stars and sip my wine. Me and Audie Murphy, we still crawl out on our bellies through the German lines. No, Audie, I won't leave you here. I'll pull you through. 'Cause, buddy, you're a pal of mine. Hey, Marilyn, come on over here. Hold me close to you and kiss me one last time. Woo! Hey, 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 all right. The crowd goes wild. Yeah, that's called Me and Jimmie Rodgers by the Old Dogs. Hope you all enjoyed that song there. Sure was fun to sing that. And I'll be back in a few minutes or a little longer with another video for y'all on a special request that someone made me. So just wait for that one. It's coming. Have a good day.